Microsoft Office. What do you learn in Microsoft Office? Learning to make use of Microsoft Office will aid you to develop your technological abilities, perhaps giving you lots of instructional and work advantages. Continue analysis to figure out what programs can aid you learn more about Microsoft Workplace communication. Lots of companies, organizations, universities, as well as daily individuals, trust Microsoft Office applications. It is a collection of applications as well as solutions created by Microsoft Windows. The applications generally consisted of a Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Overview, and Microsoft OneNote. Added applications related to Microsoft Office include Microsoft Project, Microsoft Visio, Microsoft SharePoint, Microsoft Accessibility, Microsoft InfoPath, and also Microsoft Publisher. There are many versions of Microsoft Workplace. While there are small changes in each program from variation to version, the purpose and also use of the application continue to be the same. Microsoft Word is a word processing program used to type up files, while Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program used for computations and also graphing. Furthermore, Microsoft PowerPoint is a discussion program used to existing info in a slideshow format. When you've learned and examined MS Office, you can continue your education and learning by regularly exercising your abilities. In order to demonstrate your capacities to employers, you can think about going after official qualification with Microsoft in Microsoft Workplace applications. There are various certifications for each variation of Microsoft Workplace. About Microsoft Office certification. Having the reputation of a Microsoft accreditation confirms your capabilities to stay present and do in job roles for a contemporary electronic organization. 91% of certified technical experts believe that the initiative employees took into obtaining brand new skills strongly adds to their success. Qualification in MS Office is not simply to reveal potential companies that a person knows how to make use of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, or Microsoft Outlook. It shows the degree of effectiveness one has with the tool and exactly how they are experts in the location. Significance of Microsoft Office training in 2021. Microsoft qualification is based on industry-defined functions as well as on the skills needed to execute those functions. That's what makes Microsoft qualification so important. It demonstrates that you're proficient in the particular, real-world abilities related to recognized sector roles. Microsoft Office training can give you the self-confidence to utilize the tools you are provided. Having your MS Workplace skills professionally educated significantly boosts your work effectiveness as well as confidence, which will certainly likewise bring you a sense of job fulfillment at the workplace. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are looking for Microsoft Office training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Microsoft Office training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Microsoft Office training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/